Hi, good
Hi,
morning.
hi, good morning.
Please tell
I'm
us something about your work experience.
uh, I have experience two 2 years and 5 months in
Okay, so your previous employer, may I know their nationality?
American family.
How many members in the family?
Mm, four.
Okay,
Have two children.
okay, and how old are the children?
22 years old and 16 years old.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
Doing laundry, cleaning the house, mm, cooking, ironing,
Okay, and right now, may I know the status of your visa? Visa status.
visa status. I already canceled
And when it is
November
expired?
and the expiration of my cancellation is on December 17.
Okay, and why you're looking for a new employer and find another job?
Because next year they are living here in Abu Dhabi. They will be back in US.
Okay, and how much salary are you looking for?
Because my salary in my past employer is 2,000.
Okay, and what are your hobbies?
Going to church.
Okay, and how do you describe your own personality?
I am happy woman,
Okay,
hardworking.
okay, and what are your future goals in life? Do you have any plans or your future goals?
uh, better better woman,
Are you married or single?
married.
Do you have any kids?
Yeah, I have one son.
And who will take care of your son while you're here in Abu Dhabi?
My husband and my mother.
Okay, I
Father.
will now ask you questions about different situations you may encounter while on the job, okay? If the baby won't stop crying, what will you do?
Mm, if possible, if he is crying, I'm going to carry that baby and
And if the baby got sick and the employer is not in the house, what will you do?
I will give him a medicine or just ask to or I will give a message to my employer. Present
Okay, how about
employer.
cooking? Do you have any specialty in cooking?
Yeah, because I learned that to my past employer.
Like,
Like pasta, mm, baking cakes.
okay. And in cleaning the house, which area do you usually start working in?
In cleaning those bathrooms,
And then,
then organize the beds,
okay,
organize those messy things in their beds.
okay.
All of
And why do you think you should be hired?
because I have already experienced
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.